Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and update on Sui. I try to cover Sui every other day, so if you are interested in that, make sure to subscribe and stick around. So in this, what we'll do in this video is we'll do a full technical overview, which I actually do have a pretty clear opinion on. I'm not sure what's going to happen, of course, nobody knows for sure, but I do have a pretty clear analysis, I would say, so stick around for that. But apart from that, we'll also take a look at some fundamentals, and we'll talk about some fundamentals because Bitcoin right now is relatively bullish, but we also have some important events coming up with the interest rate decision and the inflation rate coming tomorrow. So I would highly recommend you to also check out the video I did on Bitcoin this morning, because right now the market is so correlated. Like Bitcoin is getting quite a lot of bullish momentum, and you can just see that Sui is moving together with that. That's the correlation in the market. But all right, for this video we'll zoom into Sui. But before we dive into Sui and everything you need to know about that, I also have my own trading signals group. I'm a full-time crypto trader, so if you actually want to become a better trader in our exclusive traders chat room and with the signals, while also making some profits, because we have been very, very profitable for the last couple of months and weeks. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There's a trading guide coming very soon as well, so check that out. But for now, onto Sui. So what I always do with Sui, as most of you know if you have followed my videos on Sui, is I always check out network statistics. I think network statistics on the short term don't matter that much. On the long term they do. And right now, the total value locked of Sui has fallen down to 13 million, a little bit less even. Daily active addresses have fallen down as well. Transaction blocks, meh, decent. But a total value locked of 13 million, guys. You should understand what that means, like compared to other chains. And you should not forget that Sui, to actually do some do some mid-video quick researching, Sui raised $336 million. And its total value locked at this point of time brings it in the middle of Moonriver, Smart BCH, EODEX, Injective. I mean, there's some good projects in there. Don't get me wrong, but there are also some projects above it, which should not be above it, like Neo, KCC, Tezos, Moonbeam. Nothing against those projects, but Sui, with the money they raised, should be higher. But alright, that's just the situation right now. That's bearish for Sui. We can still be bullish on the short term because of the bullish momentum that Bitcoin currently has. Alright, the thing though is that right now what's happening with Sui technically is that we are stuck in a level. We're stuck in this level right here between like, let's say 57 cents and 64. Alright, with a little bit of an honorable mention to that 65 cents resistance level. But this is the level we're in. So we're getting bullish momentum for Bitcoin right now, which is all fine. We're also at resistance, so we'll probably also still find some resistance. But the thing is that what Sui needs to do is, with that bullish momentum, we should break above 64 cents. If we can do that, then we can actually get some bullish momentum, perhaps all the way up to 70 cents, and get a little bit of recovery, all right? And then once we have reached 70 cents, all of a sudden we do have quite a lot of support at 63, 57 and 50 cents. So perhaps we can then stabilize in this bigger area, right? Which would be bullish if you consider the fall that Sui has had over the last couple of weeks. So that's kind of what we're aiming for. But if we do not get that with this bullish momentum, then I think it's bad news, right? So we need to break above 64 cents within the next like 2 days. So that could also still be with the results of the inflation rate. If we cannot do that, then we'll just drop back down to 50 cents. If we cannot get that bullish breakout. And if we drop down to 50 cents right now, there's really no guarantee that we can hold it and prevent us from dropping down to 40 cents. So yeah, that's something we'll be looking at today and over the next couple of days. I'll try to keep you as updated as possible on it. But for now, this is my take on Sui. So thank you for watching. Take care today. Be careful in the markets, and bye.